Hello children, good morning. All of you take your maths book, page number 25. All of you take your book, page number 25, expanded form. All of you see, fill in the placeholders to make correct statements. Okay, here are given some examples. 548. So 5 hundreds, 4 tens and 8 ones. So here is placeholder of 5 is 500, 4 is 40 and 8 is has 8. So write the examples from like this. Now all of you fill in your book. See like expanded form. Expanded form 328. So all of you see in placeholder of 300 plus 20 plus 8. See and write in your book. Here are given boxes. You can write here 320 and 8 because this one is ones, tens and hundreds. So write here hundreds, 20 tens and 8 ones. Now next 413 to 400 plus 30 plus 2. The placeholder like this. Okay. Now next one is 517. 500 plus 10 plus 7. Okay. Next 220 is equal to 220 plus, all of you see and learn it very carefully because 0 has no any placeholder. If 0 is any writing any there, you can write only 0. 0 has no any placeholders. Okay. Now next one is 639. 600 plus 30 plus 9. Now next 785. 700 plus 80 plus 5. Okay. Next 905 is equal to 900. 0 has no place value, so you can write here 0 and 5 ones like this. 740. 700 plus 40 plus 0 because 0 has no any placeholder. 647. 600 plus 40 plus 7. 273 plus 200 plus 70 plus 3. 508 is equal to 500 plus 0 plus 8. 688. 600 plus 80 plus 8. Okay. All of you see and fill in your book. Now next one is write in short form. Okay. Here are given expanded form and now here is given short form. All of you see. Short form. given 400 plus 30 plus 8. So here 4, 3, 8. 438. Next 200 plus 40 plus 5. You can write short form like this, 245. Next 900 plus 0 plus 4. 904. 904. 910. 9. 919. 630 plus 6. 636. 820 plus 0. 820. Okay, all of you see and write in your book like this. Okay, now next one is in next page 110 tens and ones. All of you encircle the numbers which show 300. If here are given 300, you are encircle 300 like this. Okay, now next one is 3 tens. So all of you see here, here is 3 tens. Here no any 3 and here are 300. So encircle in this number. So in this way all of you encircle these all numbers. You can do in your book. Okay, next one, encircle Bill's number. Next, it has 806 ones. Here are given some numbers. You can see where is 806 ones. Here 8 tens. So this one is not correct. Here are given 806 ones. This one is correct answer. Here are given 8 tens. So this one is also not correct. Here are given 8 ones. So that one is not also correct. Here are given 800 but 6 tens. And here are given 6 ones. So this one is also not correct. Correct number is this one. All of you encircle this one. Okay. Now next one is chapter use of skip abacus. Okay. All of you see and write the numbers. Here are given some examples and you can write like this. Count these balls and write here 110 and ones. Here are given 215 because 100 counting here 1 and 2. And now tens count here 1. And now ones has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So writing here 215. Okay. Next one is here writing 402. All of you same like this way you can fill this page. Now next one is next page has page number 28. Place value and face value of a digit. So all of you see exercise. Write the place value of each encircled digit in the placeholder from the following given number. जो नंबर encircle है उसका हम प्लेस होल्डर निकाल करके encircle करेंगे. प्लेस होल्डर उसका लिखेंगे. ओके. जो नंबर encircle है उसका हम प्लेस होल्डर लिखेंगे. यू कैन राइट हियर. यहाँ पे encircle है 8, 2, 8, 9. तो here are given 80. Okay. 3, 3, 7. Placeholder of 3 is 300. 2, 1, 5. 5 ones. circle of 8. Placeholder of 8 is 8. 6, 0, 9. 0 place value of 0. Now next 6, 5, 1. 6 place value is 600. Now 67. 7's place value is 7. Okay? In this way you can fill this. Okay? Now next one is write the place value of each encircled digit in the placeholder. Same like this way you can write here placeholders. Okay? Here are given 416. Place value of 4 is 400. Now 801. 0's place value of 0. 46. 6 place value of 6. 939. Place value of 3 is 30. 855. 50 place value is 5050. 444. Place value of 4 is 400. Now next 622. 2 place value of 2. 812. 8 place value of 800. 309. Place value of 9 is 9. 111. Place value of this one 10. Now 137. Place value of this one is 100. See and write. Now next 3, 4, 5. Place value of 4 is 40. 520. 0's place value of 0. 910. 9 place value of 900. 919. 9 place value of only you can write here 9. 395. Place value of 9. 90. 28. Place value of 8 is only 8. 473. 7's place value is 70. 729. Place value of 7 is 700. 333. Place value of this 3 is 3. 33. Place value of this one is 3030. 333. Place value of this 3 of 300. See and fill in your book. Now next one is making numbers. Making numbers. Okay, you can write here what is tens, what is ones, what is 100. Here are given 100, ones and tens. So you can fill this space. Okay, now next one is activity worksheet 2. In there you can also count and write. Okay, all of you count and write activity worksheet. See page number 31, activity worksheet. Question number 1. You can count and write here numbers. So here 100. numbers name. All of you know numbers also and numbers name. 770, here are given numbers and in this column here are given numbers name. You can match there. Now next, complete the expanded form. All of you see and write. Question number 3, complete the expanded form. A 315. 300 plus dash plus dash. So you can, here I have given 300. Now next you can write 15, 10 and 5. Next B 539 dash plus 9. So here we are writing 530. Next C 803 dash C 800, no place value of 0, so you can write 803. Next D 776. Here we can write 700 plus 70 plus 6. Okay. See and fill in your book. Next, question number 4. Fill in the blanks. The digit 9 is 309 is in the 9 is ones place. Okay, ones. The face value of 7 is 978 is 7. The digit 2 in 626 is 10th place and its face value is 2. All of you fill. Now next, encircle the house number which has 402 ones. Where is 4 given? 402 ones. So all of you see in your number. Here is not given 400. Here is also 400 but not given 2 ones. So this one, here is given 2 tens. Here is given 402 ones. So correct answer is here 462. Okay. So encircle this number in your book. Write the number which has 4 tens and 200 ones. So you can write here numbers 240. Okay. Now next, comparing the numbers. I will tell you this comparing number of tomorrow because it has a greater than and less than. So for today this one is enough. All of you complete your book page number till page number 31. All of you complete your book page number 31. सब लोग पेज नंबर 31 तक सबका कंप्लीट होना चाहिए. ओके. और जो हम पीडीएफ भेजेंगे उसको आप नोटबुक में यानी अपनी मैथ्स की कॉपी में लिख के और सबमिट करिएगा. सिर्फ पीडीएफ आप अपनी कॉपी में लिखेंगे. बाकी की जो चीज़ें बताई गई हैं वो आपकी बुक में फिल होनी चाहिए. ओके. थैंक यू एंड बाय.